stay that position. Go arm up, hand up. 8 counts. Let it go, okay? Don't against it. Two more counts. 7 and 8. Right now, go forward. Stay. 8 counts only. Stay there. 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Go. Back. Stay. If you want, if you can, you make arm up, one arm up. If you otherwise just stay both hands, it's okay too. Okay? So pull it back, stay. Yes. Hold. Don't move. Don't move. Right now, go front. 8 counts. Stay. Finish. Right now, watch me. Front leg straight, back leg bent. Front leg straight, back leg bent. Don't change your leg. Yes. Front leg straight. Yes. Back leg bent. Sit on the floor. You lay down to diagonal back. Diagonal back. Stay. Like that. Yes. Feel the stretch. Go back. Okay, from this direction you can see me. So you stay like that. You lean on the diagonal direction. Like this. Yes, hold there. Stretching it. Oh yeah. Okay, stay. Stay, almost done. Okay, finish.